everybody, it's time for your mid-June check-in for Photography 101. This month's assignment, of course, is plan every photo, and I hope that you spent the last 2 weeks doing that planning, because it's time to start executing. Over the next 2 weeks, what you're going to do is take your 35 to 36 photos for this assignment. When you complete the assignment, if you would like to share it on Instagram, please do with the hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock, and be sure to @ me in that post so that I can follow along with your work and your progress. Now, these are also in the video description if you just need to copy them. If you don't use or don't want to use Instagram, what you can also do is use a free photo sharing website like Imager, or if you have something like a SmugMug or a Google Photos, whatever you use, just create an album with this assignment and share a link to it in the comments section of this video. When I screen the held comments that have links in them, I'll approve it and I'll take a look at your work. I might not be able to comment on every single submission, but I will look at them all. I hope you are enjoying this course so far. We're halfway through, and I think the assignments in the second half of this year are going to be even more enjoyable. Certainly harder, and I really hope that as you do these assignments, they really stretch your skills as a photographer and teach you to think about your work in new and exciting ways that are helping you to build your photographic skills and creative vision. See you guys at the beginning of July.